collection here. You know what it is by now. Let's get right into this box. Let's see what we got for the month of September 2018. Here we go, guys. Slice her open. Open her up. Got a bait card. Ooh, wow. First off, for $12.99, we have the River to Sea Whopper Plopper. This is the deal, people. This is my favorite hard bait in the world. And it also completes my collection because I have 4 different other colors of this. Just awesome topwater bait. You just pretty much cast it and wind it and choose your different speeds. This creates a crazy bubble motion in the water. Awesome in the fall. Sometimes when fish won't hit a buzz bait, you might want something with even a little more action, and this is it right here. Awesome profile, looks like a fish. Catch giant fish on this guy right here. Let's move right along. Next up, for $8.99 from Jenko Fishing, we have the Rip Knocker. Look at this guy here. Awesome little lipless crank. Just cast this out, let it get down at whatever depth you want. This is great to fish around grass. When you let it get down in the grass, you just rip the hooks right out of the grass. Bass will get it. Great for a reaction strike. Fish these almost anywhere. Super weedless. Dope little bait. Moving right along. Next up from Catchco for $6.99. We have a spinnerbait. Awesome spinnerbait. The color is chartreuse, obviously. Spinner is 3/8 of an ounce, which is actually in between some of the smaller bass spinnerbaits and some of the bigger bass spinnerbaits. This is a real nice in between, just another cast wine bait, fished around grass, super weedless. Put a little trailer on there, or perhaps even a little trailer hook. Hint, hint. Next up, for $4.69, we have the Zone Lock wide gap worm hooks. Size 4 EWG hooks, chemically sharpened, premium needle points. This is the real deal. I actually can never have enough of these. I use these for all different types of rigs. They are essential in any angler's tackle box. Dope deal. Anyway, moving right along. Next up from Biospawn, we have the Exo Swim for $3.99. Dope little swim bait. Oh man, you could Texas rig this. You could put this on a swim jig. Put this on a jig. You can honestly really do whatever you want with this. Nice natural color, awesome Biospawn design, sweet paddle tails on there, a lot of action in the water with these ribs. It's a 4 count, 4 inch, great deal for $3.99, $4. Next up for $3.59, we have Dobyns nail weight. These are actually pretty sweet. So you don't need to use a weight. You can just screw these into your different soft plastics, just put it right in the head, and you won't have to use like a little split shot. It makes them that much more weedless, that much more stealthy. Awesome little trick, perfect for a Nico rig. Got a ton of these in here, plenty of nail weights to mess with. Next up, for $3.50 from Bass Dynasty, we have the Bass Paddle Tail ×2. Ooh, this is actually a sweet little wacky rig. You can hook this guy right in the middle. You can fish this on like a drop shot, wacky rig. Can't Texas rig it obviously because it's got these 2 tails, but you could probably cut this in half, have 2 like, you know, trailers for your swim jig. Ton of different things you can do with this, but the best thing to do is to just wacky rig it and fish it, and both these tails will go when you fish it up and down. Best probably on a drop shot. 4 count, good deal. $3.50. Moving right along. Last thing in the box for 99 cents, we have a trailer hook. Alrighty. Oh, I just destroyed the sticker. Sorry, sticker. Okay, but a trailer hook. A lot of you guys are going to be tempted to move this little, I guess, rubber stopper or whatever it is, but don't do that. You need that. I'll show you guys what this is for with the spinnerbait. Let me get the spinnerbait. Okay, so this little rubber will actually hold this hook in place because it's a trailer hook. Show you how to hook it up. Put it right through the center, the eyelet of the hook, and the rubber will hold it in place so it's not like free swinging, moving up and down. So that's what that is for, so you don't need to use a trailer bait. And of course, we cannot forget this month's sticker. It is Bass Elvis. Sweet sticker, definitely going right on the Jeep. The 2 deal makers for this box was definitely this Whopper Plopper. It's actually the one color that I don't have, which was a total bonus. But this is an awesome bait. You will definitely get a ton of use out of this. And of course, we have the spinner, and I'm gonna add the little trailer hook on there. 3 little things that stood out to me. But these two baits here will work awesome this time of year. You can literally throw them pretty much anywhere and catch fish with them. Big fish too. Great deal from Mystery Tackle Box. As always, if you don't know what Mystery Tackle Box is, be sure to log on to mysterytacklebox.com to learn more. $15 to $25 a month, new bait shipped to your door. Eastern PA Fishing here. This has been another Mystery Tackle Box unboxing. I hope everybody likes these videos. If you do, make sure to subscribe below. Eastern PA Fishing here, you know what it is by now. Keep on fishing. I'm storming on the corner, about to catch the last dream.